Hi, this is John with WTI, and I just recently got myself my first car. But as I had the situation that I only have one adapter when it comes to lighting, and for me to connect my camera to my car, it will be just so uncomfortable because I would want to connect chargers or any other thing. And this is where this JOYROOM adapter comes into place. Let me tell you, this is handy. It comes out with three different ports for you to put cameras, adapters, or if you want to put your charger or anything that would have this connection, it's pretty good. So other thing, I would always have a charger that would go so slow in the car that it would take ages for my phone or any of my devices to get charged fully. This has an adapter or multiple adapters that are fast charging. This even has a 30-watt fast charging that is gonna fast charge my phone like if I had my wall brick with me. It has the different interrupters for it to go and give independent light to any of the adapters. And it even has a mounting tape that makes so stealthy and just easy to have a good cable management when it comes to sticking it into a car. So already this is a great product. It does the job perfectly. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.